understanding, assessing emotional behaviors, diagnosis, treatment, and emotional behavior problems that understand human behaviors and mental process. Intervention, observation, and psychological tests understand individual behaviors, emotionals, and emotional behavior well-being functioning. A clinical psychologist use diagnosis using standardized test, DSM, and ICD criteria. Psychotherapy like cognitive behavior therapy, and cognitive health therapy with mindfulness and biophysiologists provide counseling. Counseling help individuals to cope with stress, anxiety, depression, etc. Academic problems. A clinical psychologist work in the rehabilitation field like clinical sector and disorders. A clinical psychologist work in hospitals, mental health care clinics, rehabilitation centers, educational institute, research organizations, community mental health programs, especially in clinical setups, human behaviors, promoting mental health and well-being. Thank you. Thank you so much.